Hey, Dr. Pound here with Heal Better Fast, and today I just want to give you my top 3 products for neck pain. If you're traveling and you want to buy something to help you with your neck pain while you're traveling, these 3 products are the top recommended products that I actually carry in my clinic, and oftentimes I'll take while I'm traveling as well. So if you're experiencing neck pain and you've got a trip coming up, you're going to be on the plane or you're going to be in the car for long periods of time, I want to show you these 3 products that I'd recommend. Now, if you don't want to buy something, if you're traveling light, go ahead and click on my video of the top 3 tips I give people for traveling with neck pain, for simple and easy hacks that you can do to help reduce the neck pain. But if you're looking for something that you want to pack that will help to help decrease the tension in your neck, we've got the video for you. Today, the first one I'd recommend, the top exercise device that I recommend is simple Theraband. You can order this, you can order them different strengths and different densities and different sizes as well. And the reason I like the Theraband is because you can actually exercise the neck muscles and reduce the tension in the neck by a simple exercise. The first one, all you do is simply take the Theraband and wrap it around your head, and you're going to pull with your hand and then resist. And so as I'm tilting my head to the left, I'm pulling with my hand to the right. And what that's doing is exercising the muscles, again strengthening the area of my neck that supports the spine so that all of the tension doesn't go just through the spine, but I'm actually working out the muscles in my neck. You do this to the left, you do it to the right, and you can even do it forwards and backwards, but it's a little trickier while you're traveling, so mostly just left and right. If you can do that 10 to 15 times, those reps 10 to 15 times, a couple times a day, that will help prevent your neck pain from getting worse in a lot of instances, as well as strengthening the neck muscles so that you get less tension through the neck. The second product I want to talk about is a neck massager. And this is simple and great because it's easy to pack, it's easy to travel, it doesn't take any batteries, and it's simple to use. But as you can see here, this product has a couple of areas here that will, when you put it around the neck, those 2 knobs can go right into the trapezius muscles. And what you do is you just squeeze it together, and that will actually act like a little massager in the back of the neck. And it's great for loosening up the trapezius muscles in the back of the neck, as well as getting deep into all those small muscles, levator scap, splenius capitis, splenius cervicus, all the muscles in the neck for loosening them up. And because it's adjustable, as you can see, you can get into the upper muscles, you can get into the lower muscles, you can get into the muscles in the center of the spine and help relieve some of that tension. It's pretty comfortable. My patients that have used it love this product, and it's pretty affordable as well, and I'll include a link below. And the third product, which I recommend traveling, my wife loves this, is a simple hot and cold wrap. You can put this around your neck while you're traveling, and it's simple to heat up. All you do is put it in the microwave. So before you go on a travel or while you're in the hotel, this thing, you just throw it in the microwave for a couple minutes and then put it around your neck, and it will offer a little bit of relief. The great thing about it, this particular product as well, is we talk about neck rolls in my other video with a towel. I'm taking a towel and roll it up in a towel. This, you don't need a towel, you just put it behind the neck. It'll offer you a little neck support as well. And you can even do a little traction with it, just kind of bringing your neck back and opening up the disc space, bringing it back, opening up the disc space with this little bit of traction in the back, and it doesn't jam the joints in the back. So it's great 2-for-1 product. I'm going to include the links below. Hopefully these products help you travel with less neck pain. And if you're looking for more tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to bringing you more tips that'll help you heal better fast.